हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू यशवीस। सो जैसे कि आप सब देख सकते हैं,
हम अभी
मैं मेरे घर में हूँ नहीं, राइट। बहुत सारे लोग हो आप लोग जो कि जिम कॉर्बेट सफारी के लिए जाते हो, जैसे कि मैं गया था। ओके, सो जिम कॉर्बेट के पास में बहुत सारे हिल स्टेशंस हैं, जिनमें से एक इंक्लूडेड है नैनीताल। बट हम लोग नैनीताल गए, तो वहाँ पे कुछ खास नहीं था। एंड इफ यू आर विलिंग टू गो ओवर देयर फॉर मॉल रोड, योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस विल बी रियली डाउन। सो राइट नाउ वी आर एट नौकुचिया ताल, which has a name based on 9 corners. So basically, Naukuchia Tal means 9 corners lake. But when you come over here, you may not find the 9 corners. Because if you find all of them, you can attain moksha, that means freedom by the life cycle, I think so. So उसके लिए आपको तब करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे for 2-3 years. But अभी vlog कर, I welcome my family over here. Yeah, let's continue. So when we came to Naukuchia Tal, we found a lot of resorts though. मुश्किल से 1-2 अच्छे थे, जैसे कि एक पियर ऑर्किड था 2, और एक 5-स्टार प्रॉपर्टी बाय ISCS सिलेक्शंस जो कि है Naukuchia House by Naukuchia on Naukuchia Tal. So basically over here, this is a property which is just like near the lake. So they also have stairs provided to go to the lake. So if you want to go to the lake, you can. They also give many activities over here like camping, life surviving tactics, fishing, trekking. So for trekking, they basically take 2,500 per person plus taxes as a charge. And for fishing, they take 2,000, no charges, no taxes, sorry. For one person, right, for 1 hour. Right now I am in front of the reception. I found out on YouTube when I was coming over here. I thought so that I'll find some videos over here, though there were no videos. Let's explore the property. Bye bye. All right, so right now this is the reception area. You basically have to climb steep like this to come over here. The gate is quite short. You may find a logo, but it's hard to get your cars over here. So I don't recommend big cars to come over here. You can take small cars, right? The one thing I found bad about Nainital was that they take taxes or charges to go through roads. Really bad, right? Let's come in over here. Here is the reception. Here we have a tongue drum. So the theory of the tongue drum is that whenever you play it, it will never sound bad. That's the theory. That's really like it. Like if you don't know how to play any of the instruments, you can play it. Isn't it? Really nice. So actually, this resort isn't fully completed yet. We are having more 68 rooms which are under construction right now. And after that, this property will be named after Taj. Let's go. This is the restaurant area. We have a big gate over here. Oh shit, this is not the restaurant. Sorry. This is the room area. That's the lift. And here we have a deck for enjoyment or for all those things. We have campfires as well as astronomy times over here. So basically they bring a telescope and show you everything. Right, let's move now. I'll not be exploring in the rooms because I don't have the keys. I'm checking out right now. So this is kind of an end moment review. Let's go. I'll take you to the restaurant. Well, the restaurant is from the reception, but you know we are Indians. So I made a whole new way for it. It's kind of illegal to go through that way, but we are now. back the reception that I showed you right now. We will be going from here. Right. Back on the point. I'll show you the reception. I'll show you the restaurant right now. Those things I told you about camping and all, they happen in this field. They also give you that garden pot kind of thing, I don't remember. So over there they take you to a garden in the resort itself, and then you show, and then they show they bring food and you have a picnic over there. Here's the reception. There are people over here, so I'll exit right over. Let's go. Right. This is also the deck area. Over here happens high tea and all. You know what is high tea, right? So if you book from M&T, you will get all of those included. That's the lake right over there. You may find it. Let's go to the pool area now. Okay, wait. You may find this over here is written Bird's Nest. So Bird's Nest is also a restaurant which is in construction right now. Then there's the pool, play area. Play area